Today we dive in back to the roots of modern sausage making. Today I want to talk about sausage spices, especially for the German sausages. These spices play a crucial role in changing the overall taste and flavor of the sausage. Let's talk about that. First up, we have the black pepper. Well, no, that's not completely right. There are only two things there is no sausage, and that's the meat and the salt. Salt always comes first on the ingredients list, and that's mostly regular table salt or curing salt. And I got the separate video about the curing salt, especially the German, and the difference between the American salt. And you'll find more information about that, and also the quantity of spices you use for a kilo of sausage. So it might be interesting. Okay, let's go. First, we have the black pepper, like I said before. These spices add a warm and punctured flavor to the sausage and pairs with favorite sausages, special bockwurst and the Bratwurst. And then we have the distinct earthy and slightly sweet Caraway Seeds. And another staple of traditional German sausages like Mettwurst or thuringer. Move on, we have mustard seeds, which adds a mild and spicy and tangy flavor to the sausage. You'll often find them in Mettwurst, Bratwurst, weisswurst, Pfefferbeißer, and provide a subtle kick to the taste. And then we have the Allspice, which is a complex flavor, a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. It pairs well with bockwurst and, of course, liver sausage, imparting a warm and comfort taste. And then we have the garlic, which is a strong and savory taste, and that's a staple in various German sausage like bockwurst and krakauer. If you prefer a mild and slightly floral taste, the majoran is the spice for you. It's commonly used in sausages like thuringer and rohwurst, beerwurst. This provided delicate herbal flavor. So all I can say is there's not just one seasoning for one type of sausage. The miracle is created by putting all these components together, including the meat and the choice of processing. So if you put love in it, you got love out. That's so easy as it. And then we have the nutmeg with a slightly sweet taste with a hit of earthiness.
Okay, let's see what it looks like inside.
Complement sausages like weisswurst, frankfurters, hot dogs. Give them a distinct aroma. If you look for a zesty, slightly spicy and pungent flavor, the ginger is the spice to reach out for. It's commonly used in bockwurst, also liver sausage, and it provides a unique kick to the taste. Well, we got 1,500 different recipes, sausages and recipes. They are protected and they're registered, and they're very strict on that in Germany. And some of them are more than hundreds of years old. Or you got the thousands of secret recipes from the small butchers. They're all over. So, but you still can create your perfect recipe. And next we have the mace, similar to nutmeg, slightly more intense and spicy profile in changing the taste of the sausage, like bockwurst and liver sausage. Finally, we have the coriander seeds. They are citrusy, slightly sweet, and aromatic flavor. You often find them in Bratwurst and weisswurst. Well, there are a lot more. And remember, the specific combination of these spices can vary depending on the region and individual sausage recipe used. And of course, most important, your taste. These 10 spices that we are discussing today are a great point of exploring the world of German sausage, and enjoy cooking and experimenting with those flavorful seasonings. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this content, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.